welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. Yes, you heard that right, it's Day 8. And so this is my outfit of the day. I'll show you in a minute, but I just lit my fireplace and this is the first, I didn't light it myself, my daughter did. So this is the first time lighting the fireplace for the season, and I'm going to turn around in a minute so you can see it. And I need to turn off the light so you can see the effect. It's really, really cozy. This is what I'm talking about. I'm going to have a cozy day. Although I have some work to do, I'm going to have a cozy day and have the fireplace going. So let me turn the camera around and turn off the light so you can see it. So that's it right there. Can you see? Everything is cozy in here, so it's gonna be a cozy day. It's still, you know, daylight outside. I didn't pick up the camera on time, but that's still okay. I had so much stuff to do earlier in the day, but just wanted to share this with you. This is one of the good things about Vlogmas, you know, taking time, chilling, enjoying time with family and being cozy. So I'll pick you up later. Once I'm done, because I'm still looking for those the lights, those Christmas lights. So once I'm out and about looking for the Christmas light, I'll pick you up and we can go get that together and probably set up the light together. So I'll see you in a bit. It's fireworks. just told that it's outside by the garden center. Usually they keep it inside, so I might have to walk there. I already picked up some lights for the driveway, and now I have to go get some firewood. It's always funny, like when you're vlogging out about. Now I'm trying not to get like shy or don't worry about people, because people always want to see what you're holding and what you're up to. At this point, I'm not really bothered. Just go get the firewood and be on my merry way. Remember where I got my firewood last year, and let me see how much this is, because I'm not trying to pick the wood that I'm going to burn, so I don't know how much this is, but I'm just going to grab a bag. They have one for bonfires also. That would be so nice. So that was a quick trip. That's done. Now I have to remember where I parked. So for day 8 of Vlogmas, and so that I can keep track of the days, I've done like a calendar thing that I always keep here. That way I look forward to changing the dates now, because before I never used to pay attention to it, even though I had this calendar thing. And it's more one for scriptures. It has from January to December, of course, the day, every day of the month, and it had different scriptures for each day of the month. So for the Advent calendar, we are on to Clarence, and for day 8, it's down here. Okay, I have to do some more pulling out, and this is day 8. And for day 8, it looks like it's something tiny. I feel it's very light. It's lip perfector. So I'm gonna start using this immediately. That's good. I'll see what it needs to, what the directions are. But You can never go wrong in this season with a lip product or moisturizer. It always comes in handy. So that's for day 8 for Clarence. And I need manicure. I'm gonna try and see if I can get that done this week. Also for day 8 for the tea, Palais de tea, if that's what it's supposed to be. The S is probably supposed to be silent. So day 8 is right here at the top. It's the star on top of the Christmas tree. It's day 8 right here, and I'll cook that. And by the way, the black tea from yesterday was really delicious. It's good. And so this is day 8, and it's a Japanese tea. It's a green tea and roasted rice. It's a Japan, which is Japan Shizuoka. It's a Jamaica Yama, the green tea and roasted rice tea. I'll see what's that. I love the green tea, so let me let you see that again. What that looks like. So that's for day 8. And let's go to day 8 of L'Occitane. So for L'Occitane, day 8 is, it's right here. I need to do a better job. I'll move the camera properly. I don't have my assistant today, so we're doing it all by ourselves. And that's day 8. Let's open and dig into day 8. Okay, let's see what L'Occitane has for day 8. Looks like something is stuffed. It's so soft in here. Oh, it's actually not as bad. It's verbena soap with verbena leaves. So that's good. And so this will be a nice soap to take a shower with. And I love perfumed soaps anyway. So thank you so much for watching. This concludes day 8. I'll see you tomorrow.